Hi everyone, second devlog is here. Many changes have been made, but the most noticeable one is the new style. I have switched from using a pink color for the panel to black, and I have also changed the fonts from bold to light, and I think it's way better now. And 3 new widgets were added, and I'll show you how I've done it. Okay, let's decompose UI element that will be implemented in this devlog. We start from this top player possession items panel. Let me select another color for sub-element. As you can see, it has only 3 sub-elements. The first one, thumbnail and the text. The second one, absolutely the same. And the third one is very similar, but it has additional text, so it should be modified a bit. Then we will bind this element that we just created to buy shop panel. So for example, when player doesn't have enough money, this text will be red. I think it's a nice feature. Next we will create this simple, okay, let's select red color. We will implement this small description preview element. It's gonna be a simple border with half transparent background and simple multi-line text. So it should be fairly simple to implement. And finally we'll create this bottom panel. This panel consists of simple label and 3 same element with thumbnail and text, so it should also be very straightforward to implement. However, this bottom panel will only be UI, so no pressing logic will be implemented. This will be covered in next devlogs. Okay, I've got the finished player possession widget. As you can see, it has 3 identical elements that we discussed, and the bottom one has additional text element, so it looks pretty similar. And we got a vertical box as a root, then we have 2 horizontal boxes, one for top and another one for bottom. And we also got this size box with mean desired width, so it looks okay on different sizes. That's basically it about this widget. Then I just placed it to the main canvas and press size to content. This red color was very easy to set up because I'm using list view and list entries. I just had to override one method and add some simple conditions. So basically, if item price is bigger than total player money, we just set the text to red, and that's basically it. Then we can discuss this description panel. As a result, it is updated every time I select any object, and it has proper item description. And it was also very easy to set up, and I will show you. We got this size box as a root for our widget with some minimum width and minimum height. Then we have a border for this background, and we have just text for item description. And I also place it right here in my canvas, and I also got this size to content toggle. And of course I set visibility to hidden, so it's not shown when the game is started, obviously. Then what about code? We have on shop panel item hovered, so whenever we select any object, we check if it has any pop-up, and if it has, we just toggle the visibility to visible and set description from item, and that's basically it. The last element is also updated, but when another panel is selected. For example, let's press cell panel. As you can see, this widget was updated, we got the right title and second button text was updated. We can press back to buy and it's also updated. So we use panel data for this widget. Let me show what I mean. Each shop panel has panel data struct. It has a short name and a full name. short name is used for this second button text, and a full name is used for text block label. And we have one method to set up it, and we call this method for two panels, for shop items panel and player items panel. And that's basically it for current devlog. See you on next devlog.